Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Nidhi and today we are going to make a very delicious dish from figs, that is figs halwa. When you have cravings for sweets and at the same time you want to have healthy food, then this is the perfect dish you can make in no time. This sweet has no sugar or jaggery. At the same time it is packed with nutrition. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so you never miss another update, and let's get started. Here I have taken around 11 to 12 fresh figs. I have washed it thoroughly and wiped it. Now we will cut this into big chunks. Remove top and bottom part and cut it into 4 pieces. If you don't have fresh figs, then you can use dried figs. For that, soak it into a hot water for few hours and then you can grind it. Transfer the figs into mixie jar. Close the lid and we will grind this into a smooth paste. You can see the consistency. This is what we want. Now keep this aside. In order to sweeten our halwa, we will use dates instead of sugar. For that, take some soft dates and de-seed it. Now roughly chop all the dates and transfer it into mixie jar. We will make smooth paste out of it. Our dates has been grinded now. Now keep this aside. Into a pan, take 1/4 cup of ghee. We will transfer the figs paste first. As we used fresh figs here, it has more water contents into it. So first we will cook this fig paste until there is no water. If you are using dried figs, then it may not take a longer time to cook it. Keep on stirring and scrape the sides whenever it is desired. This may take around 10 to 15 minutes. You can see now our figs paste has started leaving the sides and it is cooked perfectly. So now we will add our dates. Instead of dates, you can use brown sugar if you want. Slowly the dates will also start melting. Our halwa is ready when both the paste mix together and it start leaving the sides. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add 1/4 cup of mawa. Adding mawa is optional, but it will give a nice texture to our halwa, so that's the reason I am adding it, but if you want you can skip that. Mix everything until it is well combined. Now our halwa is almost done. Add some chopped dry fruits into halwa. Mix all the dry fruits well into halwa. Now turn off the stove and take it out into a serving plate. If you liked this video, then please do thumbs up to this video and also share with your families and friends. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.